Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Harmonium on your laptop. First, ensure your computer meets basic system requirements for audio software. You'll need a reliable internet connection to download necessary programs. Next, we will explore the essential software components that transform your laptop into a virtual harmonium. Finally, we will discuss connecting external devices like MIDI keyboards for an enhanced playing experience, making your digital harmonium journey smooth and enjoyable. Choosing the right software is crucial for your digital harmonium. Many excellent virtual harmonium plugins are available, some even free, offering authentic sounds. You can integrate these into a digital audio workstation, or DAW, for more advanced features. Look for software that allows control over bellows, stops, and drone notes, mimicking a real harmonium. Always verify the software's compatibility with your laptop's operating system before downloading. For a truly authentic playing experience, consider using a MIDI keyboard controller. Connect it to your laptop via a standard USB cable. Most modern keyboards are plug-and-play. Once connected, open your Harmonium software and navigate to its MIDI settings to select your controller as the input device. You can often map specific virtual harmonium controls, like bellows or stops, to physical knobs and sliders on your MIDI keyboard, giving you precise, hands-on control. To master your digital harmonium, consistent practice is key. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the keyboard layout and basic scales. Use a metronome to develop precise timing and explore various drone notes to enhance your sound. Many software options allow you to record your practice sessions, which is an excellent way to review your playing and pinpoint areas needing improvement. Enjoy the flexibility and vast possibilities of your new virtual instrument.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.